The Benz Wetland Bank is ISG's largest wetland mitigation and restoration project to date. The newly developed wetland expands over 100 acres in Faribault County in southwest Minnesota. The now thriving wetland didn't always look like this. Site plans for this plot go as far back as the early 1900s, where the original county ditch plans show this area as a healthy lakebed named Stony Lake. Fast forward to more recent years, this small parcel was transformed from a shallow lake to a drained plot of soil for crop production. The basin experienced flooding year after year, forcing the landowner to reconsider the benefits of continually draining it for farming. Fortunately, ISG provided a win-win solution for the landowner and suggested they consider restoring the area to a wetland. Due to the area's inadequate drainage, it would be too costly to continue converting the land for crop production. How does the wetland benefit the landowner and the drainage system? The U.S. has instituted wetland regulatory incentives to preserve and restore ecological systems. Minnesota has a no net loss of wetlands policy and has developed a robust program for mitigating wetland impacts. If a landowner wants to develop a new project, they can leverage the Minnesota wetland banking system to their benefit. For example, if a landowner establishes a successful wetland habitat, they earn redeemable credits that can be sold or withdrawn to use on other projects through the wetland banking system. At the same time, the landowner is creating a bustling ecosystem that benefits local wildlife and fauna and our water quality. ISG considers many variables before wetland design and construction, including water depth, seed type, and drainage, which all play a crucial role in ensuring the success of a wetland restoration. The environmental and engineering team carefully selects seed mixes in accordance with the official EPA and local state regulations. The Benz Wetland is comprised of 4 types of seed mix zones: deep marsh, shallow marsh, wet meadow, and an upland buffer. Each of these zones required a specific blend of seed mix. ISG developed the seeding plan with every seed mix zone overlap in mind and consulted the landowner on proper installation. However, the work isn't finished after seeding. ISG provides a minimum of 1 year and up to 5 years of monitoring services to ensure the longevity of the wetland and provides landowners with input on care and maintenance issues. After construction and seeding, the many branching paths of the watershed converge and drain to the newly restored area, where diverse, seeded plant life can absorb and filter out nutrients before the water is reintroduced back into the ecosystem. All for a healthy and equally beneficial wetland system for the landowner and the environment.